Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about Workhorse again. I know I've been talking a lot about Workhorse lately, but as being one of my favorite stocks and having more news, I think it's important to talk about this and let you updated. Before going to the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe as it helps me a lot. So Workhorse this week has announced its deal with Hitachi. That was a big thing for Workhorse, as it will help a lot with manufacturing. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my Workhorse update video, that will be on the card. So besides this deal, someone found on Workhorse LinkedIn that they are hiring more than 200 workers. As you can see on Workhorse LinkedIn, they wrote, Workhorse Group is hiring 200 plus mechanical and electrical assembly personnel for first, second and third shifts in Loveland, Ohio and Union City, Indiana. We are also looking for a number of engineering, quality, supervision, logistics and project management persons. This makes us believe that Workhorse will win a big portion of the USPS contract. And because of that, they need more workers to be able to ramp production and deliver all the vehicles. The CFO of Workhorse was interviewed by Jack Spencer on YouTube, and I seriously recommend you to watch it as it has great information and really good questions. In Jack Spencer's channel, you can already find 2 interviews with the Workhorse CFO, and I would like to focus on a question in the last interview. Is Workhorse in talks with Walmart or other large retailers? This can be big, as Walmart is trying to match Amazon Prime delivery and they will need last mile delivery trucks. This can be a big opportunity for Workhorse. The CFO also said that they are talking to everyone that could potentially be interested in last mile delivery. This gives a lot of confidence in Workhorse, as they are trying to get more clients and not to be dependent on the USPS contract. There is an article on Seeking Alpha about Workhorse that said that Workhorse Group was recommended by Oppenheimer. As you can see, I'll quote, "We view Workhorse as the leading EV last mile delivery truck platform with critical design and operating system advantages, notably a substantial weight advantage versus competition which is positioned to leverage a flexible manufacturing model. Additionally, we believe Workhorse has a substantial lead in integrated drone delivery technology and testing experience. This shows that people start to gain more confidence in Workhorse products, which is a really positive thing. Now, it's a matter of time until we know the result of the USPS contract. Anyway, I really think that Workhorse will for sure have a part of it, because no company hires this amount of workers if they don't think they will get the contract. This is all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button below. See you!